I look back at my Google journey, and it's been an interesting one. And probably the first baptism of fire for me was having an account running quite well many years ago. And literally, this particular account tanked overnight, and I couldn't figure out. I hadn't done enough adjustments. All I'd done is maybe add a few negative keywords that particular week, and I couldn't figure out what had happened. And I finally found out that all the auto apply recommendations had been ticked. And literally, I had looked at the terms. There was suddenly 20 broad terms in the account. There was a number of relevant terms. Budget had been increased, bid strategy being changed. There was just too much going on that the account tanked, and that was probably my biggest learning. And that's one of the things that when I take over an account, that's the first thing I look at, because I remember that's what actually killed my account, and it took weeks to recover. So remember that small optimizations are good. Little and often is the key phrase that I use for Google. And if we can remember that, if we're increasing the budget, we go by 20%. If we're looking to add terms, add a few in at a time, because you're optimizing on a weekly basis. You're not sort of like optimizing over 4 6 months, making those optimizations. You're doing small adjustments. You're guiding the ship. And Google is very much like a ship in the ocean. We're making small 1 or 2% adjustments, but those small adjustments over a period of 1 2 3 months are quite massive. And if we can remember that, then that will guide us through our journey with Google Ads.